Ahead of its scheduled debut tomorrow, the Google Pixel 8 Pro has now leaked rather comprehensively, with hands-on images of the phone running the IDA 64 and device info HGO apps revealing some of its major hardware details. So hey everyone, I am Aosh, and if you are new here, don't be shy, you subscribe now. Both the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Pixel 8 have leaked comprehensively over the past few weeks. The premium devices are scheduled to debut tomorrow alongside the next-gen Pixel Watch, but a new hands-on leak has now revealed all the major hardware details of the Pixel 8 Pro courtesy of the IDA 64 and device info HGO apps. Starting off with the basics, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the leak sports 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Under the hood is Google's Nona-core Tensor G3, with 4 Cortex A510 cores clocked at 1704 mAh, 4 Cortex A715 cores clocked at 2367 mAh, and a Cortex X3 Prime core clocked at 2914 mAh. On the GPU end is the Mali G715. On the cameras, the Pixel 8 Pro is listed with 3 unique sensors, 12.5 MP, 12 MP, and 12.2 MP. Considering 4-in-1 pixel binning that corroborates rumors of a 50 MP main camera and 248 MP shooters for the ultra-wide angle and zoom lenses. The selfie cam red is listed with a 10.5 MP sensor, likely the exact same as seen on last year's Pixel 7 Pro. Google will launch the Pixel 8, Pixel 8 Pro, and Pixel Watch 2 on October 4. The two smartphones will debut as the company's latest premium offerings and will be powered by its 3rd-gen Tensor chipset. Sadly, though, it appears the Tensor G3 will continue on a path of disappointing performance in light of new, leaked benchmarks. Ahead of the Pixel 8 series launch event, the flagship Pixel 8 Pro has now been spotted on Geekbench, posting numbers that lag behind the competition. The leaked image confirms the device was tested on Geekbench 6.2, delivering a single-core score of 1,760 and a multi-core score of 4,442. Not terrible, but still quite a ways behind its peers. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, going by our database, records a single-core average score of 1,976 on the same test, for example. In the multi-core test, the current Qualcomm flagship chipset delivers an average score of 5,149. In fact, it appears the Pixel 8 Pro and its Tensor G3 barely match last year's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in performance. That's consistent with Google's previous Tensor chipsets in any case, offering last-gen performance, that is. For what it's worth, however, the Pixel 8 Pro looks to offer about a 20% CPU performance upgrade over the Pixel 7 Pro, and that's mostly what matters to fans of the series. Based on the leaked benchmarks, it appears that the Pixel 8 Pro's Tensor G3 chip will offer disappointing performance, lagging behind the competition. What impact do you think this will have on the success of the Pixel 8 series? Do let us know your thoughts about it in the comment section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.